Hi, I'm Katlin. I am doing my observations from about 7 miles north of Seward, Alaska, out by Bear Lake. So I'd just like to let you know to ignore these two temperatures up here in the 45 and 50s. It definitely was not that warm. I brought my thermometer inside without realizing just how quickly it warms up. So ignore those. Those were not maximums on the 13th. Anyways, so we will start here. Unfortunately, I don't know the actual maximum outside for this day on the 13th, but the minimum and the one that I observed were at about 30 degrees, and you can see it didn't really change that day. It was pretty much the same, maybe got up to 32. But then on the 14th, it got pretty warm, up at about 36 degrees. And then it didn't drop very low below 30, it just went down to like 29 probably. And then on the 15th, it got a little warmer at about 37, and then dropped back down to 30. About 9 p.m. is when I did my observations, which seemed to be the minimum temperature for the days. I wish I would have done them midday to get a more accurate reading for a minimum, daytime, and maximum. But anyways, it got pretty cold in comparison to the other days here on the 16th, down at 24 degrees, and it feels a lot colder than it actually is because of the wet here. And then it warmed up at its maximum to about 35, which again feels pretty nice. Not as cold as Fairbanks, which is what I'm used to. So. And then it kind of stayed pretty constant here on the 18th. You can see it didn't really move much from 30. I guess it dropped down a little on my right thermometer, down to about 27 degrees, but not much of a difference. There wasn't very windy. The skies were pretty clear. We did have one cloudy day on the 16th, and I'd say we had some sleet with stratus clouds. Or stratus type clouds. Wait, no, I lied. Not stratus type clouds. Nimbostratus clouds, sorry. But yep, no winds, just some sleet and cloudy on Wednesday. And all the other days were really beautiful and clear. So that is my Unit 3 presentation or screencast. Thank you for listening.